Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 and today I will show you how we can take the burst shot, the series of the pictures with the volume button. So it's very simple. All you have to do is just to enter for the camera, and when you are here we have to tap on the right upper corner of the three lines, then move to the settings, and we have to switch this feature volume buttons function to the shutter, and then press and hold shutter button to not record video to burst shot. So when you making something like that, and when you grab our phone, just take a look, and when you click and hold the volume up button, it will take a lot of photos. So you can also take a look here. It will be number of the photos that were taken. So it's around 20 photos for like 1 or 2 seconds, so it's a lot. And when you enter for the gallery, you can see that a lot of photos that it was taken. When you tap here, and there we got the series of the photos. So when you slide it like that, it will look like a movie or something like that. And take a look here, and the same here, and that's basically how it looks. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.